Hey, Kyle!
Yeah?
What you doing?
Scraping the bottom of the barrel.
Yeah, we definitely need some more stuff coming in, Kyle.
Yeah, we're a bit running low, aren't we?
Project Reboot. Donate your old computers and laptops. More random tech arrives. It's Saturday. We've got a shed load of stuff just come in. I haven't seen it yet. Bernie's getting excited, so we'll have a look.
I'm not.
Oh, he's not
getting excited.
All right. Here we go. Let's have a look.
Go.
What's
You're
that?
after a.
I was after a cooler, wasn't I? Ooh.
Well, I think that's a 775 by the looks of it.
Yeah, I think it might well be. Oh, is that an 880? 880?
8,800.
8,800. Is it?
Well, you want something a bit more beefier than that?
Yeah, turn it round. What else? Where's the where does it say what it is?
It doesn't.
Oh.
I had to look up one of the numbers. Oh. And it's got
All right.
attached to it 6-pin power on the back.
Mm-hmm.
So it looks like it's come out of an XPS or something like that.
Right, that's one for the box then.
Couple of speakers, an old.
What we got? What's that? What is it?
Actually, I can tell you what this one is. This one is. It's an Inno GT 8500.
All right, let's have a
1
nice.
gig, 2 G DDR2.
All right, show that to the camera. Very good. Has that got what outputs has it got on that then, Bernie? Another one for the box.
And just some random.
Whilst I was out yesterday, out on my bike, I said to Bernie, "Have a peaceful day, Bernie, relaxing." What happened, Bernie?
Had to go to Learn Direct because they are no more. They have passed on. They are an ex-Learn Direct, and they kindly donated their monitors and their keyboards. And we're looking at about.
So we got. So what are they? They're 19-inch ViewSonics.
There's a couple of Dells amongst them, but
Yeah, VA 1931s, and we have how many?
I reckon probably about 48 to 50.
Oh, look, all these monitors came in. God, that's all right, isn't it? I'm going to take another day off. All this stuff always comes in when I'm not there, doesn't it? Brilliant. So Bernie was busy yesterday, and now it looks like we've got some work to do. Where do we start, Bernie?
Cup of coffee.
Oh yeah. Right, we've got 2 full trolleys. Well, 1 full trolley of keyboards and a trolley of some other bits and pieces. This also came in from the same place. And some assorted bits and pieces in there. So where's that young Jacob? Get him rifling through this lot. Right, what have you got there then, Bernie?
I'm reliably informed this is an Acer all-in-one. It's got an i3 in it, Windows 7, and Freeview.
Ooh. I wonder if that's digital Freeview.
Well,
analog.
Freeview is only digital, isn't it? It's not analog.
I thought, yeah. I think you're right.
Yeah, Freeview is digital.
I can't remember.
That's the service that came out when they. On the back.
Mine that doesn't fall off. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
gonna have
okay.
to support it.
Oh, I see. Right. Yeah. What we got? We got. Oh, okay.
I'm going to see where the aerial plugs in for the Freeview.
What's that there? Oh, that's TV tuner. It's got a mini. It's got a mini. Some sort of mini jack on it.
Okay.
Or is that a satellite? No, it can't be satellite. It's Freeview. It's a mini. Must be some sort. There must be an adapter for that somehow.
Might be in with the cables, I don't know.
Yeah, well that's something for us to play with today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, should do.
Right, there we go.
Well, we've had these servers come in. They are, what is it? It's HP ProLiant DL8 380 that we were attempting to wipe. Sounds like a...
Just plugged in a power supply.
Well, after a couple of minutes, it's showing signs of something. It's doing some checking, but it's saying something's not happy, isn't it? Is it? Alright, Bernie. What are we doing with this all-in-one thingy then?
I have active kill disk. If you like to have a
Yeah.
shifty running on it.
How's it running?
I don't know, I've not started it yet.
Oh, it's running from the stick.
It's running from the stick.
Alright, so we're using Active Kill Disk Boot Disk Creator. Done that.
So,
Alright.
well, I've
Yes.
plugged the keyboard and mouse in, but what's interesting in is the touchscreen works on it as well. So,
Yeah.
we
Kill
don't
disk.
we don't want a certificate for this one,
Well,
do we?
we can point it to the yes we can. Alright, select both the drives then, Bernie. Hang on, we don't want to select the bottom one because that's our USB stick. Yeah. Alright, kill.
Bang.
Yeah. Scroll down to HMG IS5 Enhanced. There it is. Yep. Start. Erase all data. Bang. Chug, chug, chug.
And that'll click away for the next, however long it'll take.
How big is it?
500 gig.
Oh, that's going to take forever. Oh well. Chug, chug, chug. Right. Well, these servers, we've had to physically destroy the drives in these because we can't get it running. So we're just scrapping the bits and pieces. We're going to scrap the RAM. The fans, we got a guy who comes in for fans like this, uses them for RC cooling on his remote control cars or something like that. Now look at this heatsink, beautiful piece of copper, solid copper, really heavy, nice. What was the CPU, Bernie?
That one.
Yeah. Well, the Xeon is so old. When has it got a year on it? Where's the year? It just says discontinued. It's on a PGA A604 socket. Oh, it's old as the hills, Bernie.
Ancient.
Old as the hills.
I haven't tried it out yet.
What you got, Bernie?
Spaceship. It's from Star Wars, isn't it? It's the Boba Fett ship. No.
Logitech ball mouse.
Ball mouse.
Not a bit of random tech.
We've had these before, and we've sold them on eBay for about 15 to £20. So.
Alright, so we're joined by Kyle again today.
How?
Kyle is testing the monitors. We've got 50 monitors to test. So basically we're just doing a screen test, Kyle, aren't we? Yeah?
Yeah.
Looks alright, doesn't it? These 19-inch View Sonics.
Yeah, they're fine.
We're also doing we're doing electrical safety test as well, which if you've been watching our videos, you'll see how that works. Got a sticker on the back there now. Nice, passed. So Kyle will carry on doing that today.
Yeah.
And going back to the this Acer, I put Windows 10 on it. Trouble is, Windows 10, it just wouldn't work. Tried several times, it just blank screened. Came up with a blue, oops. So I put Windows 7 64-bit on that now. Just had this come in. BlackBerry Playbook. 64 gig. is a tablet. We'll have a look at that later. Looks alright, doesn't it? Right, well that's the last of the monitors. There's how many? 45, Kyle, wasn't there? 45,
yeah.
Kyle, and they are ViewSonic VA 1931 WAs. 20 quid each. Right, stick that in there, Kyle. So that is that job done.
So what's next, boss?
What's next? Keyboards, Kyle. See you next time.